Hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got another one from Zenpop. Go to zenpop.jp. Use the coupon code, the Ramen Raider, and get yourself a discount. The Japanese variety choo-choo train just keeps a-chugging along. And today we have Maruchan Ramen, Maikagura, Kanshu, Truffle, Kaoru, Toripaitan. Toripaitan! That's what this is. So it's gonna be like a truffle chicken thing. I'm really curious. I've had truffles. I've seen like a large thing of truffles before, and that was weird. Here's the cup for it. At least I got that. There's the cup. Here's the loose bits from the cup. This thing's got to get washed anyway, so I'll just use this. Here is the sachet it came with. Look at that. And yeah, let's pour boiling hot water in here. Yes. How long does it go for? 3 minutes. Man, I'm thirsty. That's what happens when you walk 20 miles in 2 days. You get thirsty. You need to drink. You need to drink. I need no drink. Gosh. I'll drink some of this. Why not? It's 2:40 p.m. I don't know. So, yeah, chicken truffle flavor. I got some shredded chicken I'm going to throw in the mix on this one. And I've been using these when I do a cup that has like a lot of loose bits. Well, more than once, those little ceramic cups end up falling into the garbage disposal. And I have to get a hold of the maintenance guy, Vitali, who's a really nice guy, and I don't want to, like, you know, say anything. But he's busy, you know, and it's just like, He's cool. We've lived in a few apartments. I'll say he's the nicest apartment maintenance guy. He gets 5 stars. The last place, yeah, they were okay. They kind of screwed up. And the time before that, the first place we lived in when we moved in together, they were all right. And then they got the first guy. His name was Fernando, and he drove a golf cart around there, around that complex. Just like, it was like the ABBA song, I swear. He just seemed to be like, yeah, just like all stoked on it. But then there was this guy that ended up being there, and he was a jerk. I remember he like went into the little maintenance building. You could tell he was on his phone to a significant other or somebody he knew, and just laying into him. I'm like, whoa. Does this guy care that everybody can hear what he's doing? He gave me all sorts of grief because he couldn't figure out how to do the correct thing once. Our kitchen drawer. I'm talking about the other guy, not the current. The current guy is the man. He is the man. But the old guy, he wasn't old, but from the first apartments we were at, he ended up freaking. The drawer was all screwed up. Probably somebody years before installed that drawer, and there were like screws sticking out and all sorts of crazy business. Where's the sachet? There's the sachet. So he here's the width of the drawer hole. You'd think the drawer would be about, like that. And there'd be wood in the thing and it would slide in and out. He put up these rails. So the drawer was this wide, the hole in the cabinetry, blah, blah, blah. He made a drawer that was like as wide as a shoebox. And he made that. It's like, that gonna work for you? I'm like, great. Blah, blah, blah. So I call the office. I'm like, yeah, my wife's gonna come home, see this, and go like, you approved that? I'm like, and I hadn't really said that it was great. But that guy, he was like, maybe you don't know how to use a drawer. He was bad news. That guy had some serious anger management issues. Yeah, that was freaky stuff. But maintenance guy we have now, he knows everybody around here, and everybody seems to really like him. He's a nice guy. Guy's name is Vitaly. Cool dude from Belarus. Belarus. That's what it used to be called. Yeah, cool dude. Not a fan of the current administration, but everybody's entitled to their opinion. Absolutely. So here's the noodle. Let's give it a try. I hate it, and here's why. It's spongy. It sputters. It doesn't fire on all thrusters. It's missing cylinders. It can't do the Kessel run in less than 1 parsec or whatever. It just doesn't make the grade. Which really just sets it up, because if it's got a super nice broth, that'll save it to a degree. But I was really hoping this would be a good one because it was supposed to be super fancy. And, truffle. Haven't tried that stuff. There's a truffle hot sauce that's supposed to be wonderful, I guess. They marketed the heck out of that. I saw that everywhere. Here's the broth. Well, let's see if this has any inkling of truffleness. Okay, so what I'm getting out of that is domestic U.S. Maruchan creamy chicken. I'm not kidding. Maybe a little creamier, a little better than that. As far as being an ultra super fancy deal, the noodles, it just killed it for me. It's just they're just spongy. They're not premium whatsoever. Whoever this Maikagura guy is, did you even try this before you let them put your name on it? Oh! Well, I'll make it look pretty. But yeah, I'm sorry. That's just not rocking the house in any real way. That's a shame right there. Such shame. Well, we'll gussy it up. We'll do it some justice. We'll make it pretty. With come on, Eggy. There you go. There's the old Eggy wig. And there's that egg's better half. So we got chicken, we got some egg, We got a handful of goo. Yeah, gosh, I really expected this to just be like mind-blowingly amazing. That was really what I expected out of this. And it's just not. It's disappointing. It tastes good. I'll give it that, but it doesn't taste like something exotic by any way, shape, or form. Then again, I mean, if they're going for like, hey, that's really exotic. That's like, I guess you can go, in Japan, you could go out for American food, and that's kind of weird. Right? I mean, every grocery in Asia is an Asian grocery. That's why I like Asia the best. Here, all the groceries are American groceries. Ugh. It's so much more fun to shop in Asia. It's not revisionist history, it's true. It's way more fun to shop in Asia. I don't care what your political standpoint. You cannot say it's not fun to shop in Asia. If you've been to Asia, at least. If you haven't, then you might not understand. But shopping in Asia, oh boy. Especially if you're a noodle junkie like me. Man, there's so many neat places over there. All right, Rotato, hit it. Get classy. All the grocery stores in Asia are Asian grocery stores. It doesn't matter if you go to a Carrefour or a 7-Eleven. Oh, you could go to Aeon. Oh yeah. All right, well, that's it for me. I might do 3 more tomorrow. I guess it depends on when we're getting picked up. I think I might. I don't know. Anyway, Hans the Ramen Rib, wishing you enjoyment of noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.